where we have a breaking news coming in, and this is in regard with the contractor suicide case where Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge is in the dock. We learned that probe in the suicide case in Bidar has picked up pace as the CID team visited the hotel where Sachin stayed for 2 hours before his death. Leads suggest that the CID team is examining key CCTV footage and also collecting information from the staff that served the contractor before his death. So that's the latest that's coming in. Remember, yesterday it was Republic TV that got you exclusive CCTV visuals, which is there on your screen, just moments before the suicide of the contractor in Karnataka. Remember, the BJP has been alleging the role of Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge in the case. They have been demanding his resignation. The minister has been staying silent for quite some time now. He's yet to release a statement. He has distanced himself from the suicide case, but remember, there are allegations that the BJP has been levelling against the Karnataka minister, demanding his resignation and alleging that it is the minister that was responsible for the contractor's suicide. CCTV visuals on your screen, on the right of your screen, which shows moments before the suicide that was committed by the contractor. We have Sri Lakshmi joining us live from the Bengaluru newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, the CCTV footage that Republic Kannada broke yesterday gives out an important lead in the case. It shows how the contractor is seen roaming freely, but just moments after that is when he committed the suicide. The BJP has been alleging the Karnataka minister Priyank Kharge's role in that case. Talk to us about the CCTV visuals that the CID team will be examining today.
Very true, Tanisha. As you very rightly pointed out, there are several questions that have left unanswered. If you look at these visuals, the CCTV visuals, in these visuals, Sachin is roaming very freely, no clue of any kind of, decision of committing suicide. And after his dinner, he also packs food for someone else. He takes it away along with him. And for whom he takes the food away, that also needs to be investigated. And is there anyone whom he contacted after this visit to the hotel? That needs to be investigated. And there in the hotel itself, he makes a phone call using the mobile phone of a waiter over there, and he makes a phone call to his sister back there in his family, and he also makes a GPay of rupees 1,500 to her mobile number. And later on, after spending 2 hours over there, having his dinner very calmly, he goes out. He pays bill and goes out.
Right.
Those are the visuals which are available over there. Right. And yesterday, Republic Kannada broke these visuals, and today CID team has reached Bidar and investigating these. They have reached this hotel itself, and they are investigating over there. Tanisha.
Right, Sri Lakshmi, stay with us because we're getting in more breaking news coming in, and on the same story where we learned that the BJP has upped its ante against the Congress, where we learned that BJP leaders and workers have started their protest march from Jagat Circle in Kalaburgi in Karnataka, demanding the resignation of the Congress leader Priyank Kharge over the Bidar contractor suicide case. Now, participating in the protest are leader of the opposition R. Ashoka and other state BJP leaders, and also C.T. Ravi. So that's the latest that's coming in. Another breaking news, the BJP demanding resignation of Minister Priyank Kharge. They have been protesting. Sri Lakshmi continues to join me on the broadcast. Sri Lakshmi, take us through what the BJP has been demanding. The BJP has been alleging that the Karnataka minister Priyank Kharge is responsible for the contractor's suicide. Now, on what basis is the BJP alleging that? What proof do they have to level such allegations?
Well, Tanisha, Sachin Panchal writes a suicide note. It is said that he has written a suicide note of 7 pages in which, as BJP leader Chelwadi Narayanaswamy claims, that around 3 to 4 times Minister Priyank Kharge's name has been mentioned relating to his suicide.